In this video, I will show you how to work the single crochet casing stitch. This stitch creates an interesting stitch with one yarn wrapping around another and is used in our Surf's Up mat. This stitch is worked in the same way as a normal crochet stitch, but is just worked around another yarn. Today we'll be using our new wave yarn in oyster shell as our casing yarn and our Jersey Be Good in the navy as our centre yarn. We will also need a 6.5 crochet hook. So let's get started. So start your row with one chain stitch just in your casing yarn, like so. Now take your centre yarn and lay it just above the stitches worked on your previous row. Insert your hook into this first stitch of your previous row, like so, making sure that you're going under this centre yarn. Now hook your casing yarn and pull through, like so, and then complete your single crochet stitch as normal, wrapping your yarn around and pulling through both loops on your hook, like so. I'll show you that again. So we're going now into the next stitch of your row. So insert into your stitch and then wrap your yarn around, trapping your centre yarn, wrap again and pull through both loops on your hook, like so. And now we're just going to keep working this way until we reach the end of our row. So insert, wrap, trap, wrap and pull through. And as you can see on the back, this is keeping your centre yarn completely encased on both sides. And there you go. Keep working this way for every row, and that's how you work in your single crochet casing stitch. Ta-da!